How to delete signature in Adobe Acrobat. Open your browser and head to acrobat.adobe.com. Log in with your Adobe account. Once you are in, look at the top menu and click on All Tools. Scroll down or use search to find Fill and Sign. Click it. This tool lets you view and manage your PDF signatures. Now, click Select a file and upload the PDF that has the signature you want to delete. Once the file opens, look for your signature on the page. Click directly on your signature. This will open your signature. To delete the signature, click on Clear and then Save. After removing the signature, click on the download icon or go to File and Save As to download the updated PDF. Make sure to save it somewhere easy to find. Bonus tip: want to avoid reusing old signatures? Go to your Adobe account, then Settings, and under Signatures, delete the saved ones. Now you are in full control, no more accidental reuse. And that's how you delete a signature using Acrobat on the web. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.